Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to dunia.rang.rangeli. Guys, in today's class we will learn about that how can we create the multicolor polka dots. Guys, the polka dots are very unique and they look very beautiful when they get printed on the cloths. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, first smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates about the designs from dunia.rang.rangeli. So let's start guys. From here into the file, I'm taking a new file. I'm taking the size into pixels and size I'm taking to 600 by 600 pixels. And the name I'm giving it to polka dots. You can see the resolution is 150, but if you want the resolution, this design for your shirt, you can make it the resolution to 300. Guys, the color mode is RGB and the background content I'm taking to transparent. Hit OK. So guys, I want the guides here, so I'm going into the view. And I'm clicking on new guides layout. The numbers I'm taking to 4 and the rows I'm taking to 4. Gutter, but I don't need this, so I want it to this like this. Guys, you can see I have 4 rows and 4 columns for my head. Okay, you can see I have my guides here. Guys, now I'm making a new layer, and from here I wanna take my left tool. Let's make a left. First, I'm taking the color of my choice. For example, I take this orange color. Hit OK. Now let's make a ellipse by pressing the Shift and Alt button. Like this, by pressing Alt backspace, you can fill the color. Guys, now you can click here and click on convert to smart object. Now again right click and duplicate layer. Hit OK. I'm taking this move tool and I want to position it right here. By pressing Ctrl T, you can see is it in center or not. Yes, it is in center. Now either by pressing Alt button you can drag it down. You can also make the duplicate from here of the layer. Guys, on this layer I'm pressing Ctrl T to see the position, and I again pressing Alt. I'm making multiple copies of this. You can see I have this. Guys, now I'm going to my original layer, and by clicking on duplicate layer I can duplicate my layer. Now I want my offset option right here. I will go into the filter, into the other, and offset. I have the size of my canvas 600 by 600 pixels. Now I will write here 300 by 300. And the wraparound is switch on. You can see the preview. You can have the tick on this. Hit OK. Now I will go back to my original layer once again. Click on the duplicate layer. Again go into the filter, other, offset. Now I will have 300 horizontal and 0 vertical. Like this, hit OK. Now again go back to the original layer and let's duplicate the layer. Like this, hit OK. Go into the filter, other and offset. Now I'm taking my vertical to 300 and horizontal to 0. Like this, you can see my preview. Hit OK. Guys, now this all is ready. I'm pressing Ctrl A to select all this and go into the edit and define pattern. You can name the pattern. I have here polka dots. Guys, now I'm going to change my colors of these polka dots because I want the multicolor polka dots. So I'm going into this effects and color overlay. You can see if I double click on this color overlay, you will have these colors. If I click here, I can select any of the color from here. Like for example, I select this. I select the lighter tone of my green color. Hit OK. Guys, now you can see here, if I right click and you can see the copy layer style. I will have to copy this layer style. Let's select all the layers by pressing Ctrl button and selecting the layers.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
You can see like this, you can copy the layers you want.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now right click and click on the paste layer style. Guys, you can see here. Guys, now see, by clicking here on the color overlay, I can easily change my colors from here. For example, I want this color. Hit OK. Hit OK. You can see the color is changing. Now I want another color. My down layer.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Guys, see, like this you can fill the colors in your polka dots and give them a very super look. Now I'm selecting Control A. I'm clicking on Control A to select all, going into the edit and click on define pattern. You can name your pattern right here, hit OK. Guys, now I'm pressing Control D to deselect my selection. Now I'm again going into the file, new, and I'm taking the size to 20 by 20 inches and the resolution is 150. Hit OK. Guys, now press Shift F5. You have this right here, patterns, and if I go into the custom pattern, you can see my polka dots right here. Hit OK. Guys, you can see these are so cool, so super fun. But I had made this new layer. If I drag this layer down, I'm dragging this layer down and I wanna fill the color in there. Let's have this white color. Hit OK. Alright, that's it. Guys, you can see this. This is my pattern of polka dots. Guys, you can have these patterns on your shirts and you can have the very super cool effects. You can give any of the color to this as you want. Like I want this pink color. Let's have pink. You can press Alt backspace to give the color. You can see, you can have the very intricate and super effects by having these polka dots. You can see, guys. Guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and smash that bell icon and subscribe button. This is Rabia signing off. We'll come back with another video, inshallah. Tada, bye bye,